Mastering the phrase, sellout theaters. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, music, or even read in articles, sellout theaters. This phrase carries with it a sense of excitement, achievement, and sometimes a dash of urgency. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Before we tackle the whole phrase, let's break it down, starting with sell out. To sell out means to sell all the tickets available for an event, such as a concert, movie, or play. It implies that the event is so popular that no more tickets are available. This term can be applied to any event where tickets are sold, indicating a high level of demand or interest from the public. Now, let's add theaters to our phrase. Theaters are venues designed for the performance of plays, movies, or other entertainment forms. When we say sell out theaters, we're talking about an event, usually a performance, that's so popular it fills every seat in the house. This is a significant achievement for performers and producers alike, symbolizing peak interest and a successful show. When we combine the two, sellout theaters becomes a powerful expression. It signifies not just a successful event, but a cultural phenomenon. An artist, play, or movie that can sell out theaters has reached a level of popularity and demand that many aspire to but few achieve. It's a marker of success, indicating that the event has captured the public's attention to the fullest extent. You might hear sell out theaters used in various contexts. In news articles or reviews, highlighting the success of a movie or play. Among fans, expressing excitement about getting tickets to a highly anticipated event. By artists and promoters, as a goal or achievement when marketing their events. It's a versatile phrase that conveys excitement, success, and sometimes, a sense of urgency to get tickets before they're gone. And that's a wrap on sellout theaters. This phrase is more than just a marker of success, it's a testament to the power of entertainment and the arts to draw people together. Whether you're discussing the latest blockbuster movie or a groundbreaking play, knowing how to use this phrase will help you express just how popular and successful an event is. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has enriched your understanding and use of English. See you in the next one.